Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home run and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video designs and decoration like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I provide you simple cake design for your birthday celebrations or any other celebrations. That is most beautiful, most essential, most creative designs for your celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful and most creative are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Most beautiful, most amazing designs. If you are interested in these types of designs and decorations, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment, subscribe my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope you enjoy my collections. I hope you love my cake designs. And I hope you love my cake creativity. Then please like my YouTube video. I hope this video is very authentic and creative. For your beautiful video, for your beautiful ideas for birthday celebrations. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Most beautiful, most amazing designs. Please like, share and comment, subscribe my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of collection, then please like, share and comment my YouTube video. Most trending article for my viewers. If you new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique and trending. If you like any design, if you know my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. If you don't miss any other amazing video like this one, you can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, or any other celebration. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.